Food prices are up, budgets are tight, and now more than ever, growing your own food isn't just a hobby, it's a smart survival skill. I'm here to share tips on how to plant a simple, low-cost garden during a recession. It's easier than you think, and it can save you hundreds of dollars a year on groceries. Let's get started. Start small and smart. You don't need acres of land or a fancy setup. Start with a 4x4 foot plot, a few containers, or even buckets. Just make sure your spot gets at least 6 hours of sun a day. Use what you have. Old storage bins, crates, or even milk jugs can work as planters. Pick high-value crops. Focus on crops that give you the biggest bang for your buck like tomatoes, lettuce, green beans, and herbs. These are expensive in stores but super cheap to grow. A packet of seeds costs less than a coffee and can feed you for months. Soil and compost on a budget. Good soil is key, but you don't have to break the bank. Look for compost giveaways in your area or start your own compost pile with kitchen scraps and yard waste. Healthy soil means fewer pests and better harvests. Water wisely. Water costs can add up, so water early in the morning or late evening to reduce evaporation. And collect rainwater if your area allows it. Keep it going. Gardening is a long game. Start small, learn as you go, and plant in cycles to get food all season long. Even one tomato plant can produce 10 to 15 pounds of food. That's a lot of meals and a lot of savings. Growing your own garden during a recession is empowering, budget-friendly, and honestly kind of addictive. Start today, you'll be glad you did. And remember, every little bit counts. Even if you can only spare a few seeds and a milk carton, you can still grow something that will nourish you and your family. What are you growing this year? Share your tips and stories in the comments below. And to all my fellow gardeners out there, happy planting. May your soil be fertile, your harvest be plentiful, and your grocery bills be light. Hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss an exciting episode. And now, my friends, it's time to get out there and dig in. Until next time, happy gardening.